Hello class! Today, we're going to explore an important topic in human movement terminologies. These are the terms we use to describe our body's movement, whether in sports, exercise, or daily activities. From flexion and extension to rotation and abduction, understand these terms will help us better analyze and improve movement. So let's break it down step by step. Flexion and extension are opposite movements that describe the bending or strengthening of a joint. Flexion decreases the angle between bones at joints, like bending your elbow or knee. Extension increases the angle between bones at a joint, like strengthening your arm or leg. Supination and pronation are movements that describe the rotation of the forearm and foot. Supination, rotating your forearm so your palm faces upwards like holding a bowl of soup. For your foot, it refers to lifting and arch of your foot, turning the sole outwards. Pronation, rotating your forearm so your palm faces downwards, like holding a glass of water. For your foot, it refers to flattening the arch, turning the sole inwards. Inversion and eversion are movements that describe the turning of the sole of the foot. Inversion, turning the sole of the foot inwards towards the middle line of the body. Imagine, you're trying to touch your big toe to your other foot. Eversion, turning the sole of the foot outwards, away the middle line of the body. Imagine you're trying to touch your pinky toe to the ground. Dorsiflexion and plantar flexion are movements that describe the bending of the foot at the ankle. Dorsiflexion, bending the foot upwards towards the shin. Imagine you're pointing your toes towards your knee. Plantar flexion, bending the foot downwards towards the ground. Imagine you're standing on your tiptoes. Circumduction is a circular movement of a limb or a body part combining flexion, extension, abduction, and adduction. Imagine drawing a large circle in the air with your arm or making a circle motion with your leg. That's circumduction. Abduction and adduction describe movements that move a limb or body part away from towards the middle line of the body. Abduction, moving a limb or body part away from the middle line of the body. Think of raising your arms straight out to the side or spreading your fingers apart. Adduction, moving a limb or body part towards the middle line of the body. Think of bringing your arm down back down to your side or closing your fingers together.